Drivers, passengers and people wey dey use the ever-busy Benin-Agbor road bypass for Benin City, Edo State don dey stranded as youths wey dey the area don block the highway and other adjoining routes sake of the inability of federal government to fix the bad spot.
Wetin we dey beg for? Our rights, they should give us our rights. Yeah. What is for us? It's our rights. You understand me? There's nothing we are enjoying. No school, no water, nothing. What are we saying? These people have no help for us. One Nigeria. We are one Nigeria. We don't know what we take for this country again. Obaseki need to come to arrest for that road. He don't abandon this road. Like maybe now push now with the end and time. Make on this road. Make on to palliative for this road. We dey beg him. Maybe Obaseki may tell them for help. May tell Jakaba. Make on this road. Yeah, now. How she road? Ekboma. I spent 3 days for them. I attack her. I don't pass road. May tell her. No, if not do the road there. Obaseki, you will get no plan.
The aggrieved youths, landlords and others wey join body with Ikpobahi Youth Forum for one peaceful we no go gree waka come put canopies and chairs for the major roads while some other persons come display papers to show their pain. Our Tori person Ifunanya Okweze wey carry waka go the we no go gree waka come talk to the chairman of Ikpobahi Youth Forum, Comrade Kingsley Osemenge wey talk say dem don first dey try to fix the road on their own, but the state of the road now don pass their power and now dem want the state government to come do palliative for the road before federal government go come start work, and say since the road bad, so many yamayama things don dey happen for Ikpobahi, and say Ikpobahi now dey lag behind for development.
We don dey gather money, right to all these our people, all these establishments, business owners around, they'll support us. We don't put all this big stone, anchor stone for the road since. But presently we are exhausted. We are exhausted because the road now, the situation is bad. I believe you came through this road, you see it. So what we really want in the state government is to feel our pain and give us some trucks of baby stone to put on this bad spot, pending when the federal government will come and start their project. So that is where we are at. So the things have caused too many damages, trailer falling, business lacking, student lacking. There's no road for them to go. So the thing, this road, bringing crime into a crime-free area in the whole Edo State. Who are taking advantage of the bad road, hold up, throw up, and do all those things. We cannot be at home and be sleeping when our rights, people with voting power, what they can do for us. Maybe they don't know. That is why we are coming out now to let them know this is our pay. We are begging them. Governor of Edo State, Obaseki, should help us.
Assistant Secretary Ikpobahi Youth Forum Comrade Osalenko Etiosia come talk say make government come help them fix the road, as the road now for everybody sake of say now only the road lead to the southeast through the south-south. He constantly talk say they not get issue with Edo State government sake of say in they try im best, but make him try im best finish to fix the road.
I think the government know about them. It's just for them to fix the road. The road too bad now, just too bad. We just want me they just come help us fix them. For the betterment of everybody, both those way we reside here and those way they outside here. You know, this road is an access road to the south east. You know, if you look around and you see trucks up and down, they move the goods, and you know goods go east, and goods they come from east to other parts of the country. So the road needs to be okay. Before now we manage them, but right now, na deplorable condition. Now the road can't do. So we just want to make them come around, fix them. Then we don't get problem with the government. They try. Our governor, they doing your own best. That's Governor Obaseki. They doing your own best. But we want to make it do more. Make it at least just show up. Then even the federal government too. Really, this not their road. So they need to, their responsibility. They need to come fix the road for us, and we want to see people that are representative. May they come tell us how they want to do the road, and that are the main reason why we there.
Ago Efosa, Jumbo Igariva, and others we talk to our Tori person. Contact say
the youths they blocked everywhere. There's no movement. It's very annoying. Look, maybe I don't blame them, but the greatest problem that I don't understand, that I can't explain, is that this spot now, there is a Coca-Cola depot here. These people, when this problem, when the destruction, when the damage was starting, They poured concrete to take care of this place. The woman was warned not to try it again, seriously warned not to try it again. She stopped. Are you also aware that Charlie Otto, by bypass, he poured concrete when the thing was starting, when the damage was starting, the bad road, he poured concrete to take care of that place. He was arrested. He was taken to government house. A land that he bailed, it was alleged that he bailed himself with 1 million naira. He was warned not to pour any concrete sand there. Now, are you also at Winners? If you go now, you see Winners Chapel. They contacted that they want to repair that place because that place, we have 3 spots. First of all, we have 3 spots that were bad. This place is bad. Opposite Winners by Guinness Depot is also bad, and the bypass. People have made arrangements to repair this place, to pour concrete. They came and warned them not to do it. Now the problem is that government don't want to come to our rescue to repair the road. And when an individual wants to come and do it, to pour concrete, to start doing some palliative work on it, they will arrest the individual. So what nonsense? What kind of government is this? You can't repair the road. Somebody wants to repair the road. You want him not to do it. You arrest him. It's confusing.
La play. We dey look this road. We dey look this road. We dey wait. We don't wait. We not dey see government. We not dey see anybody. Recently now, they just commission local government swear they in. Nobody don't come to our plat for the road. And dry season, now government they already say they go try, rain they fall, they want to do road. We don't enter the dry season. Now look, we dey look now. Before we know anything now, dry season go come, it go. Nothing go happen for the road. Then when the water don't drive for the road, then we'll come manage, they drive our car. We by ourselves will say, make we just manage and the pass. Before you know anything, the next rainy season, rain go come again, we go there inside. The way this road be so, for the both side of the road from Ramat Park, go reach bypass, they go, that's how they go Agbor. The road, now total write-off. Na total write-off. If it remain like this till the next rainy season, who will this area? Now to find alternative, take come up for the area. So what make us come out this morning? Now beg with the beg, not be power with the use. Say with the first government they can't do one. We know say now our rights, but we need to still beg them. Since our organ for years say na federal road, we dey beg. Any small help, we go fit say help us, make it dey motorable. Because the road, this road now we where they stay this area now come out. So not only we they use the road. People they load they come from Lagos, they go east. This one a better location. Sapler road side, no road. Agbor road, no road. Awuchi side, no road. So we not go feel continue like this. So now beg with the beg. So with the beg government. Beg with the may they come help us. May they help us. May they bring palliative. May the roads they motorable pending when federal government they can say they want to do the road.
Oga, road no good.
Where to spoil your own motor?
As you know see the road, you know see as the place be. As I carry passenger they come enter here, na down leak pool. Every day wash up. We don't know whether we no get governor for this state. We don't know what the governor they do. So the best thing, may they just say we no be Nigeria, we no get any governor. All of them are foolish.
You sure say na this go spoil this your motor?
Oga, if you don't be waiting people down leak. Here now, you will carry your own motor enter here.
The reason why we are here is because of the road. As my colleague said, we have been suffering about the road. It's more than 5 months coming. The road is very worst. And our school children, there's no road. The market, all the activities happening in Kobai, there's no way. That's why we decided to say, yes, we are begging federal government and the state government to come to our aid, to come and assist us. That's why we are here.
As people can see, many souls are going in this road. We are not happy. Please, we are begging both the state government and the federal government to come and put this road in order. Please, because at least it's a shameful thing. We are not just happy. How can you imagine a old giant of Africa, Nigeria? Can you imagine? Look at what is going on. Not that we don't have the money is there. And the state government have been collecting the revenue in this road. We don't know what they are using the money for. So we don't really know what is going on. That they should come and put this road in order for the masses.
Wait till the apple not too much on this road, my brother. You can see Agbor road not dey work well again. Businesses don't go down. We get parents, we get children, we are all family. Millions of nairas are falling every day. Go to Winners, no road. Go to Tonidi, no road. Go to Ikwe, no road. Go to Bypass, no road. We are blocking down this road for the next 3 days. We want to make government come to our aid. They should come and tie this road because we are paying tax. Revenue are being collected in this road from Monday till Sundays. No road for children to go to school. Pregnant women cannot go to a health center. Workers cannot feed their children again because there is no road. and the country we are suffering in Agbor Road. Are we not part of Edo State? We are not enjoying it. We are trekking every day. If rain falls, our mind is at our back. We cannot get home. How long are we going to continue to suffer? I want to beg Mr. Governor of Edo State, Godwin Obaseki, and the federal government, which they came some weeks ago, promised us everything. And at the end, we are still in one place. We are begging David Umahi, the great Tinubu, they should come and help us. Since morning, no road. You cannot get to Ramat, you cannot get to Agbor Park. From depot to Ikwe is no more than 3 minutes. But now you can spend 3 hours. We cannot walk again. Our family are hungry. We are suffering. No business again in Agbor Road. They should come and help us. If you doubt it, once rain fall today, we are not going home. Please, we are begging government, come and help us.
The road not good. People they die for bypass. So we are begging the government, please come to our aid. Please, we are begging you.
The road when we pass, they go as no road. Children will go school, they no fit come for school. Motor go drop them for road. We they go market, our wife will go market. They no go feel reach us. Then they call, they'll say their motor don't fall for road. So we want make our leaders. I even thank God say people like you, like this your brother Unagada even come like this today. Say we even stand, we even talk with they pain us. Oh God, what do we they beg our leaders? Especially Oga Obaseki, make it look us, make it come do our road for us, so that make things not hard for us. Especially woman when he get belly, he go market. If they come from market, you will see him before he go reach her, he don't sweat. Maybe her body night also to go even fall for road. Like one way happen for bypass. When I see one woman when he fall for ground for there, he not see road pass. If they come from Lagos about 5 days, he not feel reach us. Now he take fall for bypass. Before we say more carry, before we feel recover that woman, only God now he help the woman.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Benin-Agbor Road, A. Carter, Ojesole, TMC TV News.